What is up, everybody? Yesterday was the release of the Bread Toe Jordan 1s, and I took a big fat L on that one. They sold out like that. I saw online there's actually some fights at retail stores over them. I was ready with the sneaker app, hit, purchase, took a few seconds, and then once I went into it, like I told you in yesterday's vlog, I used the gift card to make things quicker. As soon as I hit that, the gift card wasn't there as a payment option. So I went through, tried to put in the gift card really quick, and then it kicked me back out, and then I hit it again and was gonna use a different payment method, hit it, got in line, and then it didn't go through because I didn't get them. So tried on a few other websites, but at some point I just gave up. I was really disappointed. And then we went to Huntsville yesterday, and we wanted to get the boys' haircut, get something to eat, just hang out after basketball. I went to a bunch of shoe stores down there, and all they had were the kid sizes. But I was able to take a look at the kid sizes, and the quality on them, even on the kids, is amazing. So by the end of the night, I was super bummed that I didn't score those. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Like I said, a little disappointed, actually really disappointed that I wasn't able to get those. Resale on them, by the time you pay shipping and fees or whatever, you're looking at over $100, probably $110, $120 over retail, which just drives me nuts. But so I'm not sure if I'm going to do that or not. But what I decided to do was to lace these up, since they've been sitting in my closet for a week. Well, not actually a week. I ordered them a week ago, but I actually am going to lace up the gold toes, and I'm going to wear these bad boys today. Resale. Who's up? Sawyer? Yeah. It's early. What time is it? It's 6:50. Sunday's the day I sleep in because I don't do the gym on Sundays, so I wake up at like 5:30. I think I'm going to lace these up. Resale, like I was saying, I was going to try to flip them, but resale is only like, I don't know, 20 or I don't know what, like 40 or 50 bucks, and it's not worth it. I'd rather have them and enjoy them, and if they get screwed up, they get screwed up. But I won't wear them, 1,000 times. I'll only wear them every once in a while. But I think I'm gonna wear them to church today. So I'm gonna lace them up. I think I'm just gonna lace them up with the black laces. I'm not gonna go white or gold, just to keep it sort of clean because they're already, sort of funky. So let's lace these up. There is nothing better than the look of a fresh laced pair of Jordan 1s. Sorry. This is like, this look right here, this best silhouette on any shoe ever, and the best like overhead view of any shoe ever. I heard some people say they wish the bottom of these were gold. I actually really like that the bottom's black. I feel like I haven't done cinematics in a long time, so we're gonna do some slow-mo cinematics. Sunday mornings is cook breakfast. I want the kids, when they get older, to remember that I always cook breakfast on Sundays for some reason. I don't know where that came from or why, because I never had that. And they don't really appreciate it, at least not now. So maybe one day, or maybe it's the fact that I cook turkey bacon. They seem to like turkey bacon, but they like regular bacon too. So anyway, Sawyer's up playing some Roblox. I'm gonna get my cook on and then start getting ready for church. So wore the gold toes to church, no problems. I'll show you the creasing, which doesn't look like it's gonna be an issue. It looks like the patent leather is gonna crease just like the regular leather. Maybe a little bit harsher, but nothing. I was worried about cracking, so that doesn't look like it's gonna be an issue. I don't know what I was thinking, because leather's leather, just patent leather's got that sheen on it. Got a lot of looks for wearing very shiny shoes to church. Came back, made some pizzas for lunch. I'm watching the documentary series Ugly Delicious on Netflix, and they had a pizza. I think the very first one was all about pizza. I think I want to figure out how to make like my own pizza dough and sort of make my own pizzas. I just bought the pre-made pizza crust from the store, and then it got mozzarella, not shredded mozzarella, regular mozzarella. And I like the way it came out, but I'd like to make my own pizza dough soon, one day. So other than that, I had a comment on, was it yesterday's video, where somebody said they didn't understand like an obsession with sneakers. And to me, it's an obsession with sneakers, an obsession with technology, an obsession with cameras, an obsession with furniture, an obsession with clothes. Obsession or hobby or collector or anything is just an obsession of an, you know, it's just an obsession. For everybody it's something different. They're like, I don't understand it. I don't even think about what's on my feet, my shoes, and that's fine. Everybody's different. For me, sneakers really take me back to childhood, because I could never, my family couldn't afford good sneakers. So I would have Pro Wings or, yeah, but to me, it's just, I couldn't afford those things as a child. And 99% of the sneakers that I buy now are retros from the 80s, like Jordan 1s, Jordan 3s, Jordan 4s. I have a pair of Yeezys and some Boost and things like that. But the majority of my sneaker collection is retros from my childhood. Maybe not be exact retros, because if they were, I would just have Royals and Breads, and that would be about it. But just the silhouette and the meaning of the Jordans just takes me back to my childhood. Having a little bit of money to where I can purchase some nowadays, I enjoy it. It brings me back. It makes me feel good. I like the style of them as well. Mostly it's just for like the nostalgia of it. And if people don't understand, that's okay. You know, I don't understand why people collect bourbon. I know somebody that collects bottles of bourbon or wine. Like it doesn't compute to me. So, but I would never judge anybody that does it, because everybody enjoys what they enjoy. I'm cool with that. So getting ready to close this vlog out. Sawyer is doing what he loves to do, which is just staring at his iPad watching videos. And my man Miles is over here doing some science experiment stuff. Do you remember who got that for you? Was it one of Auntie Laura and Auntie Amy or something? I don't know. One of them, I think, for Christmas. Auntie who? One of my sisters, one of their aunts got them this for Christmas. So Miles is doing, what's this one? Crystals, making crystals, jiggly crystals.
Can you rinse this out, please? Can you?
So that's gonna be it for this one. I took some photos of the boys, mostly of Miles doing his experiments, which I'll leave right here. if you enjoyed the video, you can hit the thumbs up. If you've yet to subscribe, you can do that down below. And I will be talking to you guys mañana. Or tomorrow. Mañana, hasta mañana. Yeah, tomorrow.